Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we've got a quick box opening of my watchgang Black membership watch for May. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Sao Baltimore Torsk Diver. And man, I love this watch. Who knows how many watch of the days or what was on my wrist today was this watch. And I'm loving the patina that's starting to form a little bit more each time I wear it. That's what's really cool about this one. Also, guys, if you're into old cars, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. Me and my brother are always working on stuff, trying to keep some old rides going down the road. And if you're looking at buying a watch, I've got promo codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. Those will all be in the description below. So if you're not familiar with watchgang, and this bag's a little loud, if you're not familiar with watchgang, it is a monthly subscription company. And they have different tier levels from cheaper, I think it was like $30 or $50, because I do believe they raised the price. Then you have the $100 subscription tier level and the platinum level, which is the $299. Pretty much all I do anymore is the black tier level, the $100, and that is simply because I think for the $100 a month, I've gotten some pretty cool stuff, and I'm always down for a surprise. So let's take a look at what we got. Aquinas. Ooh, a little bit different package here. Not a brand I've heard of before, just got the warranty card there. This is kind of cool. Huh. Kind of cool. Different packaging for sure. Ooh. Goodness. Ooh. Not too shabby. I mean, it does kind of remind me. So we've got looks like we've got the SKU number. This one has an MSRP of $295, which, you know, we know how that can be. The dial on this one is very similar to a watch I got quite a while back. Man, and I'm just trying to think of the name on that one. Overall, this is not too shabby looking piece here. Let's see. Let's see what we got on the back. Swiss movement. So I'm sure this is just a quartz movement in this one. Obviously, we're running away there. Not too shabby though. Huh. I don't know much about the brand, so I'll do my usual and do some research on it and see what I come up with. But there is that SKU number, model number there, in case you guys want to check it out before me. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.